are these host picks that everybody is talking about. We are going to be talking about what they are, how to get one, and where you can locate them once you do get one. My name is Karen.
And I'm Jay.
We're with the Thrifty Flamingo. We talk a lot about Poshmark and reselling. If you're interested in this content, we would really appreciate if you subscribe to our channel.
And Poshing for Profits is here. It's a comprehensive course on Poshmark on how to take your business to the next level and earn a full-time income working only part-time on Poshmark. If you haven't checked it out yet, first and only link in the description will get you over to that course. It is currently 50% off at $97. And it's going to be that way for one more day.
Tick-tock, tick-tock.
Today is it. This is the last day that you can get in on that course at $97. Tonight at midnight, it goes up to $197. So act fast and grab that course. It's awesome.
Cinderella, we're turning back into that pumpkin. So, a host pick. There are 4 parties every single day on Poshmark. They are virtual showrooms that you can put your items in to host, get in front of people. They have different themes and whatnot. So the first party doesn't have any hosts.
Nope.
The last 3, the main ones, they have hosts. Now what hosts are picked people from the Poshmark community that hand select certain items and put them into a host pick showroom.
They're basically like moderators for parties. If you think about it as an online community, they're a moderator. They're picking and choosing what's getting in there, and they're doing all that stuff that a moderator would do.
Each host has 100 host picks to select. And when you're talking about thousands and thousands of listings and so many Poshmark users, that's kind of really like small, and you want to get in on that. So the host pick showroom is very exclusive. And so to get a host pick. Jay got a host pick on his second day on the app.
Yep.
So one of the ways that you can get a host pick is plain and simple ask. I was a host. I hosted a party once, and it gets overwhelming. You have 100 items. They don't tell you your theme for almost a week before the party. So you have like a week to find 100 items that are theme specific, and there's so much on Poshmark. So if you just say, look into the party showroom, they tell you who the hosts are, go into their closet, find a listing that's not an active listing. Maybe they're about the posher. Sometimes they announce like, hey, I'm a party host tonight or tomorrow or whatever. Give them a tag. Say, hey, I haven't had a host pick before. It would be great if you checked out my closet. It doesn't hurt to ask.
Nope.
And then give them some posh love. Share from their closet. So that's how I got this one on host pick. It wasn't him. One of my PFFs.
Nope, she put in the work.
One of my PFFs I noticed was hosting a men's style party. And I said, oh, my husband just opened up a brand new men's closet.
And there it was. The host pick was right there. It just came that simple. So what are some other ways we can get host picks?
You should attend the parties, but not just to the main showroom. You should attend the host pick showroom. You should comment and share from the actual showroom. It shows that you're really active in the community. And the host actually shares some of their own items to the party as well. They're supposed to keep it to a minimum of 10 of their own items and then 90 of everybody else's. Granted, some hosts do a little bit more. But if you're sharing and you're saying, I love this host pick, congratulations, awesome. You can even copy and paste if you want to. And then the hosts see that like every time they made one of their own listings go on there, and then there you are saying, congratulations, awesome.
Yep, they're
host
more
pick.
likely to pick something from your closet if it falls in with the criteria for the party, and they're going to pick your item and give you a host pick. So that's another way to do it. And is there any other ways?
Of course. So not only that, you can share, if you don't want to be your self-promoter, because I say you're your number one fan. You know, if you don't actually want to say, hey, can you look at my closet and pick from it, or give a possible pick, what you can do is go into the host closet before the party, the day of the party, and show them some posh love. I'm talking like blast their closet with shares. Their newsfeed is going to show your little icon. Someone shared this, shared. This is going to be full of you.
Yep.
And they're going to obviously open up your closet and say, wow, this person just shared 40 of my items, my whole closet. And they're going to open up your closet and, hey, night of the party, they might be still looking for host picks.
Right.
Now they're in your closet.
We talked a little bit about how to get a host pick, but why should we want to get a host pick? What's the point of getting a host pick? Yeah, why do we care?
It's a rite of passage, you know, with the parties happening so frequently. If you're on the app for so long and you haven't had a host pick, hey, you know, you gotta have to put yourself out there. And not only that, you're gonna get your item in that very exclusive showroom for free.
Yep.
For free.
You're gonna get a ton of exposure on it.
Ton of exposure. And you're gonna see a mass amount of activity coming to your closet. I've gotten followers from host picks. I've gotten some sales from host picks. It doesn't guarantee you a sale whatsoever. I've had a host pick that sparked another sale, you know, but I've also had a pair of boots that were shared to a host pick, and not even a minute later they sold. It was kind of like window shopping. Someone saw it, they liked it, it was their size, bam, sold. So it doesn't guarantee you a sale, but it gives you ultimate exposure.
Yeah, and that's what we're all looking for on Poshmark. So that's why host picks are great. And that's a little bit about how to get them. It's very simple. If you just follow those certain procedures, you'll be able to grab a host pick in no time flat. And if you haven't gotten one yet, definitely go out there and try and get one.
It doesn't mean you have to do this every single night and that you should just be like host pick, host pick, host pick. No, but if you don't have one and you're really curious about one, this is how you can achieve that goal of at least getting one and have one under your belt. So I really hope this has shed some light on the topic of host pick, because I get too many questions. What the heck is it, Karen? I hope this has helped you understand what a host pick is and how to get it. If you've enjoyed this content, we would really appreciate if you subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up.
And don't forget to click that first link in the description. It'll take you right over to Poshing for Profits. Again, 50% off now at $97. No coupon code needed. That will end tonight at midnight, so get there quick, and we'll see you in the Facebook group.
Happy poshing, guys.
Have a great one.